Hey, it's C53H here. I'm going to be doing a card trick, alright? Before I get with the card trick, I want to show you something I did in school and art, maybe in like November, Starry Night. That was pretty sick, right? Yeah. Period 2. That sounds pretty, you know. Alright, well anyways, I'm going to show you this card trick that I really love. It's one of my favorites, other than Jumping Gemini. This one I've only been doing for maybe a year. Okay, so this trick is called Revolver. I'm gonna take out cards, alright? I'm gonna look right here. This is a king of clubs. So I'm gonna take out the ace of clubs, 2 of clubs, 3 of clubs, and 4 of clubs. I'm gonna just go with this. Alright? So now, we just find them. Four clubs. Three clubs, 2 of clubs, ace of clubs. Alright? So now, I'm gonna just turn out this deck upside down. Alright? I'm gonna take the 4. Oops. I'm gonna take the 4 and put it on top of the deck. Just like that. Take the 3, put it on top. The 2, put it on top. And the ace, and put it on top. Now I'm just gonna take those cards off, alright? So now, I'll show you that I have all these cards, alright? Ace, 2, 3, and the 4. Take the 3 and the 4, and I just put it in between there. Ah, spider. Ew, he's dead. Anyways, I'm gonna take the cards, and we're gonna flip over the ace. Watch. The ace is flipped over. Alright. Now I'm gonna flip over the 2. Two is flipped over. I'm now gonna flip over the 3. Watch. With a shake. Maybe snap my fingers. 3 is flipped over. Now I'm gonna flip the 4 over. Common sense. Just like that. Or you know what? But one, if I spread these cards out, just like that. Hold on though. Yeah. Well, anyways, no. If I take these cards, look, they're blue. How did blue cards get here? I seriously don't know. You see, blue cards. If I take these blue cards right here, and I just maybe go like this, rub them right under the deck, just like that, maybe for like 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe it would all turn blue. Well, if I shake the cards, snap my fingers, they do. They're all blue. Every single card in this deck is now blue. Hope you enjoyed this trick. I'll be making a tutorial on how to do it. I seriously love this trick, and it like fools everyone. So yeah, I hope you liked it. And see you guys.